What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. Today we are installing the email tune that I got from Diablo Sport onto my 2015 Dodge Challenger RT. So if you're excited for this video, hit that subscribe button for me, like the video, share it with your friends, comment down below any questions you have, but let's jump into the video. If you haven't already checked out the video of how to install the tune you get from the emailer onto the Intune i3 tuner, check out the video in the description. It'll be the last video I uploaded. Check that out. That explains everything you need to know up this far. This is a sort of a part 2. The next part I will be driving and sort of showcasing the first tune I got from the emailer from Diablo Sport from Johan. I will be showcasing that, but in this video I will just be showing you how to install the tune onto the car. So hit that subscribe button for me. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Plug the tuner into the car, you know, into the OBD2 port as always. Same thing, it loads up, you accept it, boom, these are the options you get. So you're going to go ahead and hit Tune Vehicle, Advanced Tune. Once it gets loads up, hit Tune Select. You get your options, install standard tune, and you can actually see install custom tune is available. So we're going to go ahead and hit install custom tune, and you should see right here as an option, and you can go ahead and compare it to the one your tuner sent you. This is the same exact number and everything that I got sent from Johan himself. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. Use selected tune. You betcha. Yep, I want to go ahead and reset all the parameters because I want everything that Johan sent me to be on this car and use his tune to the fullest. So I'm going to go ahead and hit yes, reset those parameters. I'm going to apply the tune. You know, you go through the whole process of what it tells you. As you can see down there at the bottom, it is installing that PCM tune. Sorry, it won't focus very well. Those are the same numbers of that custom tune I have received. Okay, now we hit 100%. Now it's going to go ahead and tell us to turn off the ignition. So we're going to go ahead and turn it off. Continue. Same as before, as installing a normal tune, I'm sure. Turn it back on. Continue. Tuning complete. You may unplug the tool and reboot. So it is as simple as that. Just like before when installing your 93 octane tune and so on and so forth. It is easy as that. Stay tuned for the next video. I will be doing the test drive and sort of a drive around on my new email tune. Like I said before and in the first video, this is going to be a several week thing. And I will be driving the car, testing out the tune, and then I will be hooking up my laptop to my car through the tuner and everything like that, looking at data logs and stuff like that, sending those data logs to Johan, sending them, and he'll be sending a new refreshed tune back based on those data logs. I will be driving and testing out this tune as it is now and see if there's any big difference and anything I can notice. And then I will show you guys me data logging and so on and stuff like that. I will send those data logs off to Johan. He will then perfect a tune compared to those data logs and rinse and repeat. So I will be doing that. I'll catch you guys in the next video when I finally get to test drive this new tune. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below any questions you have. Hit that subscribe button for me if you enjoyed. You make my day when I see that subscribe number climb and climb and climb, and help me reach my goal of 300 subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. Stay safe out there. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.